Hey, you guys in need of a great humidifier? I got the perfect thing for everybody. The ultrasonic humidifier by Everlasting Comfort. Everlasting Comfort's on a mission to improve people's lives by providing beautiful, functional, and affordable high-quality products coupled with exceptional customer service. I've been using this humidifier since I've been sick for a couple days now, and it works great. I do recommend you guys buy this. The humidifier from Everlasting Comfort comes with an essential oil tray. It is whisper quiet and it's filterless. Works great. Everlasting Comfort has great products. You guys got to check all their products out. I'll post the links in my bio down below in the description. Thumbs up.